If you own an RB20, RB25, or RB26, there's a good chance that you're still relying on one of these. The problem is that these are well over 25 years old now, and when they fail, finding a good replacement isn't getting any easier. That's exactly why I designed our RB24-1 trigger kit, a modern trigger solution designed specifically for RB20, RB25, and RB26 engines. The kit includes a CNC machine billet aluminum sensor mount, a precision 24-1 trigger wheel, and a high-quality sensor with plug-and-play wiring into your OEM harness. Everything you need for installation. Once installed, the sensor reads directly from the trigger wheel, giving your standalone ECU a clean and reliable engine position signal. No more relying on aging CAS electronics. Please keep in mind that this trigger kit does not work with the factory ECU, and it does require a standalone ECU that accepts custom trigger inputs. Every one of these kits is designed, tested, and supported right here by me. I'm an enthusiast just like you, and I like to design and build the parts that you need. Whether you're running a street car, a drift car, or dedicated race car, accurate trigger information is critical.